Hello and welcome back to the Golf Diaries. If you're into your VWs, VW lifestyle, car care, car shows, all that kind of good stuff, then hopefully you've come to the right place. So if you like the video, please give it a like and click on the subscribe button. This weekend just gone, we went along to Waxstock. Now, for those of you who don't know, Waxstock is like the annual, although it hasn't been around obviously for the past couple of years because of the pandemic, it is an annual show held at the Ricoh Arena in Coventry. All things detailing, so all the top brands, or a lot of the top brands, and some pretty amazing show cars all in one place. So good chance to go along, meet some people in the industry, have a chat and see what's new. I wasn't originally going to video anything at the show. I took my camera along just to take a few stills for use on Instagram and stuff like that. But when I got there, I kind of thought, yeah, why not? So what follows, it's only 3 or 4 minutes, just a kind of an overview of what Waxstock is all about. So just showing a few of my favourite stands and a few of the kind of VWs that stood out from the show cars. So yeah, came back with a haul of products, as you might expect. It's expensive, but there you go. It's all part of the fun. It's all part of the hobby, I guess. So stick around to the end and I'll tell you what we've got coming up here for review on the channel, and also an interesting detail we've got coming up as well, all to follow in the coming weeks. So please stick around for that. But for now, enjoy the show. Welcome back. So that was Waxstock. As I said at the beginning, just a quick overview, but hopefully you get a gist for the show if you've never been. If you did go, please let me know in the comments below what you particularly liked. What was your favourite car? There were certainly some pretty amazing ones to choose from there. So yeah, the quality of the show and shine cars was really high. So credit to all the owners. That takes a lot of doing. So anyway, as I promised at the beginning, a quick overview of what we've got coming up. These are the products I got at Waxstock, and a couple more that I've just been sat around waiting for me to do something with them. So coming up, we've got a full detail on a Golf R. Now I'm just waiting for, I need to get permission. It's not my car, so I need to get permission obviously to film it for YouTube, but I'm sure it won't be a problem. But even if I don't do the full detail on the channel, I will just do a few of the products because I'm going to be ceramic coating it and things like that. So I'll just do a little bit about the ceramic coating procedure using Gyeon Pure Evo. So I'm looking forward to giving that a go. And a lot of these products will be used on that detail as well. However, the Garage Therapy, it was really nice to meet Maz from Garage Therapy. He's a really nice guy, and he's happy to stand and talk to you about all kinds of things, detailing related as well as obviously Garage Therapy related. So very nice to meet him. But yeah, I've, as you may know from my Caddy detail video, which I'll pop a link down below, I want to use the Garage Therapy system on that and kind of do a long-term review on the Garage Therapy system. So I've gone the full hog and bought the snow foam, even though I've got 25 litres of built hammer over there. So Maz, seriously, be impressed that I bought this. So and then obviously the one car shampoo as well, which I've heard really good things about, as well as zero iron oxide and the zero interior cleaner as well. So everything to do with the Caddy is going to be Garage Therapy. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how that pans out over the months to come. Also bought a few of their microfiber towels and their grass towel, just because I like microfiber towels. It's a bit odd really, isn't it? But there you go. If you're a regular over this channel, you know I'm a bit odd, so there's nothing new there. Speaking of microfiber oddities, teddy glove from Autoglanz. So yeah, nice soft either side that you can use to mainly obviously for your interior, or if you just want to do that. Makes people talk about you, I guess, so can't be a bad thing. And then also from Autoglanz, I will be doing a review on their interior detailer Mist, which I've had a sample from them, and I think it's worth doing a full video on because I think that punches way above its price point and will give some of the big brands a run for its money in terms of addressing for the interior. So that's that. Also bought a few other things. Sonak's Perfect Finish, you can never have enough of that stuff. Some scrubber dubbers. They're really cool. You got a kind of scrubbing side to it as well as a microfiber side to wipe off the excess. So that's going to get lots of use. And then finally, didn't get this from Waxstock, I got this from Into Detailing. But Koch Chemie or Koch Chemie or however you say it, the German brand, yeah, Motorplast. So for kind of all your plastics and rubbers and things like that in the engine bay, really looking forward to trying that. And I'll do a video on that in due course. So that's it. I'm owing a video on the big boy blower that I recently bought. Really, it's a serious piece of kit, so I want to do it justice and try it on a few different cars that have got different sealants and waxes and coatings on, just so you get to see how it works on a variety of cars, not just one that's got coating on. So that will come, but yeah, that's it. So anyway, thanks for watching as always. If you like the video, please give it a like and perhaps consider subscribing if this kind of thing is interesting to you. We're trying to grow the channel. It was really nice to meet some of the guys, actually. I should have said at the start, so please forgive me. Met some of the guys that watch the channel at Waxstock, and that was a really bizarre feeling to have people come up to you with this tiny little channel and say, hey, I've been watching your videos. Yeah, it was quite cool. Really nice to meet these guys and to get feedback. So if that was you, it was nice to meet you, and hopefully we'll get a chance to meet again sometime soon. But more on that, because I have an idea. I have a cunning plan, but more on that at a later date. But for now, thank you again for watching. I'll shut up. I'll let you get on with your day. Bye for now.